Let's go. Make sure that you always check your pickup address because it might be from the last night and they might be going to a different location to pick you up. Tagbilaran, 6 a.m. Alright, so this is it at 6 a.m. and we're still at the ticket counter with all these people. Not too sure if we're gonna make it. Okay, we are catching the boat at 8:20. 8:20, yeah, because that's the fast boat. You don't want to go with the slow one because that goes 2 hours just, you know, and it's, yeah, way longer. Why would you? Let's go with the fast one.
Okay, we just got our tickets and now we're going to get our seat.
Woo! And we are at the terminal
After 2 hours. So yep, we missed the first ship and
but there is the next one coming, so we will jump on that.
yeah.
Thank you, Mark, for the baby juice. 15 pesos. What's this, Arthur? Sorry?
I have no idea. The cookies. We just at the before me, one lady took them, and I asked her if they're good. She said like they're really good. Okay, let's try them. Okay, we're boarding up, and let's see what the next island shows us. I'm very excited. Although I have slept only 3 or 4 hours, but this is worth it. She got the cookie, so she's very happy now.
It's sugar cookie. It's cold here, but we are chicken. Chicken got our
We made it.
Yes, only 2 hours later, but still we had an early morning. Healthy, you know. Really good. So now we are going to this island. We will have a private driver and we will have a day tour, and we are going to see these little animals
With big eyes.
with big eyes. Yeah. I will put them somewhere here so you know how they look like. And first time, I don't know. I thought it's really cool. And then we'll go to Chocolate Hills and some other cool places, but we're gonna show you. How much is this island hopping thing? It is $50 New Zealand dollars or 1,600 Filipinos pesos.
But it's there and back.
There and back, yes. So it's $25 one side or 800 pesos one side. It's time to get some energy in, and we got this. The one that you showed us out later that we bought it. So the cookies, and they look like this. I feel like they're almost like this European pastry, which is Latvian. It's called austiņa.
On your ticket you have your seat number, and stay with your seat, okay? Don't go in the place where you just want to sit, because everyone is looking very carefully with the place that's assigned to them, and
No messing around.
no messing around.
We made it. And I didn't get sick. Entering, you need again a vaccination pass and ID, so make sure you have it when you come here. They checked our temperature on a hand, but so now we are here and looking for our tour guide, which should be wearing white shirt, white shoes and blue umbrella. Not too sure where, guys, but we will find him.
We met our driver. He's already in the car, but let's go. Again, we are in the car going somewhere.
Welcome to Bohol, McDonald's as well. So what happened? We just we are with this team's tour, and eventually the bridge got closed because their one car broke down, so we couldn't get through. That's why we're just driving now around the whole thing to go to 3 places we want to see in this island, on this island. And but first, let's have some breakfast / lunch because we woke up for the 6 a.m. ride. Remember? Let's go.
We are so hungry. After Manila Hotel, we ate so much every day, so we are hungry now.
Yeah, and now we haven't eaten for, like, we skipped already at least 3 meals. And it's just snack some cookies all the time. That's about
We
it.
are next in the line, so close, so close.
Yo, so this is what it's like when you can't control travel. You can't control the weather, you can't control the road. But you must just go with the flow because, you know, that is how travel is.
Oh, pretty. Okay, we arrived. It's 50 pesos per person for entry, and we are at Chocolate Hills. Unfortunately, it's not that sunny today, and it's foggy and rainy, but I will show you landscape. Imagine this view, super sunny and in warm weather.
Now let's hike up there.
Let's go there. Stairs. Our friend.
Lots of stairs.
Okay, so small update. This morning we woke up around 5:30. We slept 3 hours from yesterday, and after a 7-hour drive we are here, and look what we see. As Sigita just said, in a sunny day this view would be incredible. Even now we can see the Chocolate Hills.
All famous Chocolate Hills. Quite different weather, quite different look, as you might notice. No hills, but you can imagine that they are there. The weather is not changing, and I thought we might drive out of that fog that where we arrived, but we just went up, so now we're in a cloud. But it's still beautiful, it's still very green, and still, I guess, the first real Filipino kind of feeling, because Philippines, I think for me, it's at least something very green, and this is pretty green, just very foggy, like New Zealand.
This is Instagram versus reality.
And it is photo time with our guide next to the Chocolate Hill, so let's do it. All right, Chocolate Hills, check. Let's go to next destination. Whee! Next location is the second most popular destination on this island. So let's go. We we arrived and I'm going to show you these little things in real life. So let's go. Arthur is excited as well, starting to photograph everything. And they can be only 80 grams up to 165. Cute! So pretty. We did find the first tarsier. It's just over there, under that leaf. Super cute!
Amazing, they're so cute.
They're really tiny, like imagine.
In my palm, it's just like...
And that was Elmo that you just saw. So every single one of them, every single tarsier will have a name. Look at how small he is. He's just like tiny, tiny like this. He is so tiny. I could not find him myself. I love that there are people who show you where they are. Otherwise, we would miss them.
Amazing. So one is under this this palm, like trees. You can't see it from here. It's like it's hiding right under it, and the other one is, I will move slowly because it's very slippery today. So other one is here. You see on this tree. So they are territorial, and one guy have his territory, other guy have his territory, and one was a little bit further down. But they are so cute and amazing, and I thought, you know, from the pictures that they will be much bigger, but no, they're so small. It's like tiny with big eyes, and it's just adorable.
There's another one. Look at him. He's hiding behind the leaf. And this is it. These were tarsiers, and now we are off. It will be something very green. So let's just go because we have to catch the ferry and have to be at port at 5, and we still need to take quite a lot of photos. We've arrived. This is our last destination in Boracay. This is the man-made forest. Let's go. Okay, back in the car and let's drive to the port. Let's drop this thing up. We're at 7-Eleven getting some snacks and things for the trip, and there was a real estate agent approaching us in the store, and of course we look very rich here, I guess, because he said, oh, in case if you want to buy a holiday home here, very affordable prices, and go for it. So just took his business card, maybe one day.
We got this business card from Mar Edsel Manapsal agent. So shoot out for him, applause to his bravery and just coming and you know, using all the strategies and methods and just being kind and just you know.
Hey, and we are back at the port and ready go from Bohol. I forgot where we are, we're moving so much. So from Bohol to Cebu city, where we will stay another night before we move on again. So you want to stick around. The tour is
it's coming to an end.
Over.
Be ready to always pay a little bit more, take with you extra money, because We kind of have already our tickets, but now we needed to pay terminal fee. What's 20 pesos per person? Time to go.
We got our seat 33, row 32. Let's move to 33. And here we are back in Cebu. It's way warmer. The ferry was very cold, very cold. Getting back to our hotels for a good night's sleep, but thank you for bearing with us. Today we were amazing despite all the weather and everything. We got the best what we could today, right?
Monkeys.
Little things, yeah, exactly. Okay, make sure you like, you subscribe, and let's make another vlog next week and see you on Monday, guys. Cheers.